You gotta go. And why don't you take some good video? I thought so. Hey. See that? That was it. Yeah, you got some 160. You can't got some 160.
Sound cuts out halfway after I convert it.
This is West Bay, G Train, on to the next stop.
My hand's getting tired.
Sorry about that.
That's right, yeah, you know my locomotive.
Yo, we should go over there. Something's going straight. I'm talking like earlier, like a long time ago, something used to go straight.
Thanks to the public board, please.
Yeah. In the 1950s, yeah.
Yeah, I could have got a curve picture right here.
Oh yeah.
The window is too strong.
I seen this coming. Like, oh shit. And I seen it on the other drawing. You was on this? Yeah.
It took me forever to get that 360. I had to drive around for 2 hours just to find a place that actually had it. But, yeah. We gotta go to work early tomorrow. Church early, so 8:30.
You gotta go to the early man.
8:30. You know the itinerary is? Are you going online?
I think it's gonna go the same as last year. You're gonna go down the Brighton line to 577. Then you're gonna drop people off at Stillwell Hall once you get on. Then you're gonna go back up to West End. And then at 36, turn around, go up back down to Sea Beach. And go to Stillwell for like 2 hours for like eating whatever people, and then go back up the Cobble line up through here. So in the hand. I guess I'll what is up, my nigga?
Stop. Go look here in the video underground. I quit underground.
You still taking a video?
Of course he is. How much money you got?
What is wrong with this kid? Fill him. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Like the walls still kind of weak. No, it's just it's cracking What sucks about it is the end.
Oh, really? It's all Rush Hour 3 and shit, like the chicks, like error.
You know, this is like totally on the spreadsheet.
see it. No, and the video's coming out clear though.
You probably zoom that description here.
No, it has no zoom on it. I can see he's getting pissed off. I can see his face. Oh, let me see the picture they took of us. I don't see that one. This is so awesome. That 42 G.
Alright.
High five. Let me tell them. I called her this morning. I was with, oh, there's a chick at the rail fan window. She had a camera. She had a big ass. She was white. If you don't believe me, ask Aliana. I'm like, she's like in her 20s or 30s.
Good luck.
WX G Train 2, close 310 Queens, next stop will be at December 6th.
No, fuck if you ain't gonna have that shit. I don't know.
Because then you're gonna stay back and have your shoulders.
Hell yeah, that's a good one. Oh, look at him. Oh. Alright, cool. You still recording? Did you say Carmen? Someone here is Carmen.
Respect my daughter.
Respect my daughter.
Screw you guys. That's the janitorial. Feeling janitorial. Then what are you doing real thing? Let's hope we're going to see pictures of this. Take your lunch bag. What looks like your lunch bag?
It's a camera bag.
This is a camera bag.
Fuck money.
See you.
I turn my arm all the time to the light.
Yeah, I turned my mother to the same mother. I'm not even going to go face. Get up.
But I actually hit my arm sometimes just like when it hits me and like I get hurt like ow.
Boys, knock your teeth out. Like this. That's fucking crazy. Oh shit. Yo, I got it. I think it's ribs. It's a
You
little.
got dinner at home too. He has dinner at home. I had a job before. I'm still hungry.
I got dinner waiting for me, yo. That's why I want to go home. I was like, yo,
You okay with the whole lot? I had to.
man, eat more, nigga. I've been eating all day.
We go make it.
Oh, right, we can't say the N-word anymore.
Oh, yeah,
We're
we're
outlawed, yeah. We're outlawed. The N-word. Essentially, was disappointed when you heard that. Oh, shit. Essentially was disappointed when you heard that. You're buddy. N-word. It's not even real. You said it from the I still say it anyway, though.
Who will ever get ticket to that one?
That's ridiculous. It's stupid. That's violating the Constitution.
I don't know. Freedom of speech.
Bingo.
I'll be the first man to come right.
Yep.